Now let's find out who the real Big Bird is. Bert, I'm gonna ask them a question so dumb that only the real Big Bird will know the answer. All right, you. What's your favorite thing in the world? Well, that's an easy answer. Birdseed.
Ernie, how is that going to help? That's the most obvious thing.
Watch this, Bert. Now you, Big Bird. What's your favorite thing in the world? My favorite thing in the world? Being alive, Ernie.
Huh?
Because if I'm not alive, I can't enjoy birdseed. That's it, Bert. This is the real Big Bird. That's the answer I was looking for.